Hello and welcome back to the Yak Chat channel. Today we're showing you how to import contacts into the Yak Chat app, quickly and easily. First, open the app and head over to the Contacts tab. From there, go to the contact list you'd like to add your new contacts to. Then click the drop-down next to Add Contacts and select Import Contacts. You can upload either a CSV or an XLS file, but make sure it includes at least a first name and phone number for each contact. Not sure how to format your file? No worries, just click Download a Template and you'll get a ready-to-use layout to help you get started. When your file's ready, click Browse Files to find it through your File Explorer. If you're working with multiple shared inboxes, you'll be able to choose which inbox the contacts should be added to by using the drop-down next to Contact Book. You'll also have the option to set permissions, deciding whether others can just view the contacts or view and edit them as well. Next, you'll be asked to match the column titles from your file to YakChat's contact fields. This step ensures that all your contact details are placed in the right spots. You can also add tags at this point. Tags are a great way to keep your contacts organized and easy to search later on. Once that's done, YakChat will show you a preview of the contacts that are ready to be imported. It'll also flag any errors that need fixing. If everything looks good, just click Import Contacts and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully imported your contacts into YakChat. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the YakChat channel for more tips and walkthroughs. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.